Quality management. Quality certification. Many firms that do business internally recognize the importance of quality certification. Firms meaning ව්‍යාපාර ආයතනය. Example for different quality certifications. ISO 9001 Quality Management and ISO 4001 Environmental Management, Food Safety Management System, HACCP and ISO 22000 Food Safety Management System, Energy Management System, ISO 9001, SLS Product Certification, Sri Lanka, Occupational Health and Safety Management System, OHSAS 8001, ISO 45000, Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP, Good Laboratory Practices, GLP. Benefits of quality certification. 1. Business performance benefits. Market and customer benefits. Environmental and social benefits. ISO 40001 focus. Organizational and employee benefits. 1. Data-driven decision-making. Continuous monitoring improve performance and accountability. නිවැරදි දත්ත. 2. අඩු අවදානම. Better risk management. Identification and migration of risk ensure smooth operations. වැඩි කාර්යක්ෂමතාවය. Improved efficiency and productivity. Streamlined process, reduce waste, errors and delays. 2. සතුටු පාරිභෝගිකය. Enhance customer satisfaction. Consistent product and service quality meet customer expectation. වියදම් අඩුවීම. Cost saving. Efficient resources use and reduce rework lead to lower operational cost. 2. Market and customer benefits. Increase market opportunity. Enhance brand reputation. Customer retention. Competitive advantage. Increased market opportunity. Certification can be requirement for contract and tenders. Enhance brand reputation. Demonstrating commitment to quality and sustainability build trust. Commitment, කැපවීම, sustainability තිරසාර බව. Customer retention. Retention රඳවා තබා ගැනීම. Satisfied customers are more likely to remain loyal. Competitive advantage. ISO certification can set you apart from competitors. Environmental and social benefits. ISO 40001 focus. Reduce environmental impact. regulatory compliance නීති රාමුවක් තුළ වැඩ කිරීම improved sustainability positive stakeholder perception reduce environmental impact efficient resource use water reduction and pollution control regulatory compliance meeting environmental regulation avoid fines and penalties improved sustainability aligning with global sustainability goals enhance corporate sustainability positive stakeholder perception communities customers and investors appropriate eco-conscious practices eco-conscious refer to being aware of the environment and making choices that protect it. The most accurate translate is parisara hitakami. Parisara environment hitakami friendly. So an eco-conscious person is someone who is parisara පිළිබඳ සැලකිලිමත්. Meaning are mindful about the environment. Eco-conscious production පරිසර හිතකාමී නිෂ්පාදන eco-conscious lifestyle පරිසර හිතකාමී ජීවන රටාව environmental and social benefit reduce environmental impact efficient resource use water reduction and pollution control regulatory compliance meeting environmental regulation avoids fines and penalties improved sustainability aligning with global sustainability goal enhance corporate responsibility positive stakeholder perception communities customers and investors appropriate eco-conscious practices benefits of quality certification organizational and employee benefits improved employee morale training and skill development better supplier relationships continuous improvement culture improved employee morale clear process and accountability boost job satisfaction training and skill development staff become more competent and engaged competent meaning කාර්යයක් සාර්ථකව හා කාර්යක්ෂම ඉටු කර ගැනීමට අවශ්‍ය නිපුණත්වය better supplier relationship ensuring supplier meets your quality and environmental standards continuous improvement culture regular audits and review drive innovations and progress innovation means පවතින දේ වඩාත් දියුණු කර ගැනීම ISO quality certification ISO 9001 and ISO 40001 certification ISO 9001 and ISO 40001 are almost ISO's most well-known standards ever. Every implemented by more than million organizations in some 175 countries. ISO 9001 help organizations to implement quality management. ISO 40001 help organizations to implement environmental management. ISO 9001 and I 4001. ISO both 9001 and ISO 40001 concern the way an organization goes about its work. They are not product standards. They are not service standards. They are process standards. They can be used by product manufacturers and service providers. ISO 9001 8 Equality Management Principles of ISO 9001. Customer focus, leadership, involvement of people, process approach, system approach to management, continuous improvement, evidence-based decision making, mutually beneficial supplier relationship. Customer focus. Understand and exceed customer expectations to enhance satisfaction. Leadership. Set a vision, establish goals, and model organizational value. Involvement of people. Engage employee at all levels, valuing their contributions and promoting skill development. Process approach. Efficiently manage activities as interconnected process to achieve consistent results. System approach to management. Systematic the quality management process and integrate process into the overall workflow. Continuous improvement. Foster a culture of ongoing enhancement in process and service and process. Product service process. Foster mean පෝෂණය කරනවා, අනුබල දෙනවා, වර්ධනය කරනවා. Evidence-based decision making. Based decisions on accurate data analysis for effective outcomes. Mutually beneficial supplier relationship. Build strong partnership with supplier to drive value. ISO 9001. This stands for ISO 9001 certification bear upon three major areas: management system, environmental system, and operations. Management system. System development and integration of environmental responsibilities into business planning. Environmental system. Measuring, assessing, and managing emissions, effluents, and other waste streams. Assessing තක්සේරු කිරීම, ඇගයීම. Effluents, දියර ද්‍රව්‍ය. Total quality management. Total. Everyone associated with the company is involved in continuous improvement. Degree of excellence a product or service provides customer expressed and implies requirements are fully met. Management art or manner or handling, controlling, directing, etc. Executives are fully committed. Total involvement of customer, involvement of employees, involvement of suppliers. Quality of works, quality of process, quality of company equal quality of products. Work, process, company. Management. Perceive the management risk of quality. Perceive sanjanana. Across department and function. Management quality. Role model functions. Promote teamwork and ability to learn. Demonstrate persistence. Persistence means අකණ්ඩ පැවැත්ම. Total quality management. Total quality management refer to a quest ගවේෂණය in for quality in an organization. There are three key philosophies in this approach: continuous improvement, involvement of everyone in the organization, customer satisfaction. Total quality management expand the traditional view of quality, looking only at the quality of the final product or service, to looking at the quality of every aspect of the process that produces the product or service, to looking at the quality of every aspect of the process that produces the product or service. Total quality management systems are intended to prevent poor quality from occurring. Intended අදහස් කරනවා. Total quality approach. Find out what customers want. Design a product or service. Design process. Guide improvement in the system. Extend the concept throughout the supply chain. Top management must be involved, committed. Total quality management approach. Find out what customers want. This might involve the use of surveys, focus group, interviews, or some other techniques. Design product or service that will meet or exceed what customers want. Design process that facilitate doing the job right the first time. Determine where mistakes are likely to occur and try to prevent them. Keep track of results and use them to guide improvement in the system. Never stop trying to improve. Extend these concepts throughout the supply chain. Top management must be involved and committed. Otherwise, top quality management will just be another fad that fails and fades away. Fade තාවකාලික රැල්ලක්. Fails and fades away අසාර්ථක වී ක්‍රමයෙන් නැති වී යන. Comparing cultures of top quality management and traditional organization. Aspect: overall mission, objective, management, role of manager, customer requirement, problems, problem solving, involvement, supplier, job focus. Traditional: overall mission, maximize return on investment. Total quality management, meet or exceed customer expectation. Objective: emphasis on short terms. Emphasis විශේෂ අවධානයක් යොමු කිරීම. Balance of long term and short term. Management not always open, sometimes inconsistent objective. Inconsistent ස්ථාවර නොවන නොගැලපෙන. Open encourage employee improvement, consistent objective. Role of manager: issue order, enforce. Enforce බලහත්කාරයෙන් ක්‍රියාත්මක කිරීම. Coach TQM, coach remove barrier, build trust. Customer requirement: not highest priority, may be unclear. Highest priority: involvement to identify and understand. Problems: traditional design, blame, punish. TQM, identify and resolve. Problem solving: not traditional, not systematic individuals. TQM, systematic teams. Improvement: traditional, erratic. අනාවැකි කිව නොහැකි. TQM, continuous. Suppliers: adversarial. සතුරු. TQM, partners. Jobs: narrow, specialized, much individual effort. Broad, more general, much team effort. Focus: product oriented. TQM, process oriented. Boss, leader. Obstacle: avahirata to implementing TQM. Lack of company-wide definition of quality. Lack of strategic plan for change. Lack of customer focus. Poor intra-organizational communication. Lack of employee empowerment. View of quick quality as a quick fix. Emphasis on short-term financial result. Lack of strong motivation. Lack of time to devote to quality initiatives. Devotes කැපවීම. Lack of leadership. Criticisms of TQM. Criticisms විවේචනය. Over emphasis on quality. අවශ්‍යතාවයට වඩා වැදගත්කමක් ලබා දීම over emphasis. Sometimes organizations focus too much on quality, ignoring others' important priorities like cost, innovations, or speed. Lack of strategic alignment. Alignment pedagogy. TQM efforts may not align with the company overall goals, making program less effective. Imbalance between cost and benefits. Companies might spend heavily on improving customer satisfaction even when the cost outweighed the actual benefits gained. Outweighs වඩා වැදගත් වීම. Poor planning. Without proper planning, TQM program can lead to confusion, false starters, and ineffective outcomes. Incremental and dramatic improvement. Incremental වර්ධනය වීම වැඩි වීම. Focusing only on small continuous improvement may not be enough when major changes are required. Lack of result focus. Quality efforts can fall short if they aren't linked to measurable outcomes and business goals. Problem solving in TQM. Problem solving in TQM. Basic steps in problem solving. Step 1. Define the problem and establish an improvement goal. Step 2. Develop performance. Measure and collect data. Analyze the problem. Generate potential solution. Choose a solution. Step 1. Define the problem and establish an improvement goal. Give problem identification careful consideration. Don't rush throughout this step. Rush කලබලය හා වේගවත්ව යාම. Because this will serve as the focal point of problem solving efforts. Step 2. Develop performance, measure and collect data. The solution must be based on facts. Possible tools include check sheet, scatter diagram, histogram, run chart, and control chart. Step 3. Analyze the problem. Possible tools include Pareto chart, cause and effect diagram. Step 4. Generate potential solution. Methods include brainstorming, කණ්ඩායමක් ලෙස අදහස් උත්පාදනය කිරීම, interviewing and surveying. Step 5. Choose a solution. Identify the criteria for choosing a solution. Refer to the goal established in step 1. Apply criteria to potential solution and select the best one. Basic steps in problem solving. Step 6. Implement the solution. Keep everyone informed. Monitor solution to see if accomplish the goals. If not, identify the solution or return to step 1. Possible tools include control chart and run chart. Problem solving in TQM. Plan, do, study, act. Cycle in problem solving, also known as Shewhart cycle, Deming cycle, plan, do, study, act. Problem solving in TQM. Plan. Begin by studying the current process. Document that process and then collect data on the process or problem. Next, analyze the data and develop a plan for improvement. Specify measures for evaluating the plan. Do. Implement the plan on a small scale if possible. Document any changes made during this phase. Collect data systematically for evaluation. Study. Evaluate the data collection during the do phase. Check how closely the result match the original goals of the plan phase. Act. If the results are successful, standardize the new method and communicate the new method to all people associated with the process. Implement training for the new method. If the results are unsuccessful, review the plan and repeat the process or case this project. Problem solving in TQM. The PDSA cycle applied to problem solving. Management commitment. Recognize problem from quality improvement teams. Define problem, plan, develop performance measures, analyze problem, determine possible cases, do, implement solution, study, evaluate solution, ensure permanence, act, continuous improvement, recognize problem. Quality auditing. The quality auditing and being audited. Quality auditing, an information gathering activity. Definition: a systematic and independent examination to determine whether activity and related result comply with plan arrangement and whether these arrangements are implemented effectively and are suitable to achieve objectives. Quality audits means systematic examination of quality system. Quality audits are typically performed at defined intervals. Any failure in this proper implementation may be published publicly and may lead to revocation. අවලංගු කිරීම of quality certification. Type of audits: internal audit, external audit, system audit, process audit and product audit. Internal audit: management system audit, self-assessment, mini self-assessment. Internal audit: supplier audit, third-party audit. System audit: verification that a quality system exists. Continued. Process audit: verification that process procedures exist, are correct and are being followed. verification that procedures are followed under standard, rushed and adverse conditions. Product audit, re-inspections of product. Inspection පරීක්ෂා කිරීම. Verifies inspector capability and correct use of specifications. විශේෂිත දත්ත. First party audit. Performed within an organization to measure its strength and weakness against its own procedures or against external standards. A first-party audit is an internal audit conducted by auditors who are employed by the organization being audited. The auditor should not have interest in the audit result of the area being audited. Second party audit. External audit performed on a supplier by a customer or by contracted organization on behalf of a customer. A contract is in place and the goods or service will be delivered. Second party audits are subject to the rules of contract law as they are providing contractual direction from the customer to the supplier. Second party audit tend to be more formal than first party audits because audit result should influence the customer purchasing decisions. Third party audit performed by audit organization independent of the customer supplier relationship. It is free of any conflict of interest. Conflict ගැටුම. Independent of the audit organization is a key component of third party audit. Third party audits may result in certification, registration, recognition and award, license approval, a citation, a fine or penalty issues by the third party organization or interested party. Process audit. This type of audit verifies that processes are working with established limit. It evaluates an operations or method against predetermined instruction or stands to measure conformance to these stands and the effectiveness of the instructions. Process audit may process audit check conformance to defined requirements such as time, accuracy, temperature, pressure, compositions, responsiveness, amperage and component mixture. Examine the resources, equipment, materials, peoples applied to transform the inputs into outputs. the environment, the method, procedure, instruction followed and measures collected to determine process performance. Check the adequacy and effectiveness of the process control. Adequacy ප්‍රමාණවත් බව, සෑහෙන බව. Established by procedures, work instruction, flowchart, and training and process specifications. Product audit. This type of audit is an examination of particular product or service, such as hardware, process materials, software, to evaluate whether it conforms to requirements, specification, performance standards, and customer requirements. System audit. An audit conducted on a management system. Documented activity performed to verify that applicable elements of the system are appropriate and effectiveness and have been developed, documented and implemented in accordance and conjunction with specified requirement. Accordance අනුකූලතාවය. Conjunction සංයෝගය with specified requirements. System audit. Quality management system audit, environmental system audit, food safety system audit, safety system audit. A quality management system audit evaluate an existing quality management program to determine its conformance to company policies and contract commitments and regulatory requirements. Similarly, environmental system audit examine environmental management system. Food safety system audit examine a food safety management system. Safety system audits examine the safety management system. Hierarchy of audits. Survey, system audit, process audit, and product audit. Characteristics of audits are independent of doer, have measurement criteria, are performed by competent personnel, are cost effective, are samples of the system, must be sure the sampling procedure is correct, are independent of doer, performed by person not responsible for production or service in area being audited, have measurement criteria, specification, attribute data, variable data. Specification, quality system requirement and product requirement. Attribute data, variable data, actual measurement are performed by component personnel, trained audit team members, are cost effective. Prevention of problems or are example of the system. Isolate one small moment in time. Must be sure the complying procedure is correct. use of audit. Continuous improvement efforts, internal and external. Benchmarking, benchmarking, certification, internal quality system, external suppliers, adherence to auditor code of ethics. Why audits? Competition, regulation, self preservation to audit ourselves before someone audit us. Competition, external. We want low cost, high value suppliers. Internal. We want to verify that our systems are adequate and effective. Adequate සෑහෙන. Regulation imposed by customer. Imposed බලහත්කාරයෙන් පැටවීම. Self-imposed. General quality stand or internal quality stands. Federal and or state regulation. Federal දේශපාලන බෙදී. ISO stands. Self-preservation. To audit ourselves before someone audits us. The 4 phases of an audit cycle. Audit planning and preparation. Audit execution. Audit reporting. Audit flows up and closure. Audit planning and preparation. Audit preparation consists of planning everything that is done in advance by interest patience. Such as the auditor, the lead auditor, the client, and the audit program manager to ensure that the audit complies with the client compliance අනුකූල වීම, client's objective. Things done before the start of the audit. 4. Audit execution. ක්‍රියාත්මක කිරීම. The execution phase of an audit is called field work. It is data gathering portion of the audit and covers the time period from arrival at the audit location up to exit meeting. It consists of multiple activities including on-site audit management, measuring with the auditee, understanding the process and system control, and verifying that these controls work, communicating among team members, and communicating with the auditee. Audit reporting. The purpose of the audit report is to communicate the result of investigation. The report should provide correct and clear data that will be effective as a management aid in addressing important organizational issues. The audit process may end when the report is issued by the lead auditor or after follow-up action are completed. 4. Audit flow-up and closure. According to ISO 9011 Cost 60.6, the audit is completed when all the planned audit activities have been carried out or otherwise agreed with the audit client. Clause 6.7 of ISO 9011 continues by stating that verification of follow-up actions may be part of a subsequent audit. Subsequent පසුකාලීන. Audit program management. Planning. Who, what, when, why, where, how. Goals and objective. Corporate site audit program. Execution. Credentials. Resources, tools, performance. Closure. Corrective action and earned value. Improvement, no action. Data analysis. Reporting. Quality management. Process owner, upper management. The quality auditor. Personal audit, professional auditors, technical ability, professional state. Personal auditor. Communication, power of observation, flexibility, perseverance, objectivity, decisiveness. Professional attributes. Independence, appearance, punctuality, preparedness, fairness, integrity. Fairness, සාධාරණත්වය. Integrity, ප්‍රතිපත්තිගරුක බව. Technical ability. Knowledge of technical standards and regulation. Quality and cost analysis. Statistical, diagnostic techniques. Professional states. Accreditation. Accreditation, පලිගැනීම. Code of ethics. Professional expertise. Quality auditing report. Audit report. It should be dated and signed by the lead auditor. It should contain the scope and objective of the audit. Scope. විෂයපතය. Details of the audit plan. The identify audit team members. Dates. Identification of the specific organization audited. Do not report these. Properties of confidential information. විශ්වාසනීය, confidential. Subjective statements. Not substantiated. සාක්ෂි සහිතව තහවුරු කරන ලද. Unrelated recommendation. Minor non-conformity already correct. Conformity අනුකූලතාවය. Trivial නොවැදගත්. Statement reflecting emotions. Prejudices पूर्व विनिश्चय or argument. aspect neither discussed nor mentioned during the closing meeting. Internal audit. It is not police force, is not inspection of product. Inspection. විමර්ශනය කර බැලීම. Is not interrogation. ප්‍රශ්න කිරීම. Task force. Understanding assessor characteristics. Argumentative. Lazy. Inflexible. Gullible. Gullible means රැවටිය හැකි. Devious වංක. Unprofessional වෘත්තීමය නොවන. Opinionated තම මතය තහවුරු කිරීමට උත්සාහ කරන. Easily influenced බලපෑමට ලක්වෙන. Impulsive jump to conclusions ඉක්මන් තීරණය ගන්නා. Uncommunicative poor at planning. Prescriptive නිර්දේශිත අණ දෙන සුළු.